ICICI Bank has raised the base rate by 25 basis points to 10%, and which will be effective from 23rd of August itself. And ICICI Bank raises the BPLR by 25 basis points effective 23rd August. Poonam Sahni joins us from the research desk to get us all the details on that. Poonam.
Well, clearly, Nisha, if you go to see, ICICI Bank is raising the base rate. This clearly is a signal that the current interest rate environment, because of the real rise in the yields that we have seen both in the short-term rates as well as in the 10-year bond yield, it clearly shows that there is a lot of pressure in the on the banks in terms of maintaining the margins, and eventually their cost of deposits, in order to match up for the cost of deposits, the banks will have to pass on the cost to the borrower, to the borrower, and hence we are seeing an increase in the base rate. Remember that again, ICICI Bank is not the first one to raise the base rate in terms of private sector banks. We had the Yes Bank which had raised the base rate quite a few weeks back. We also saw Axis Bank also raising the base rates, and in fact quite a few private sector banks have even tinkered with their short-term deposits. The HDFC Bank also had increased their short-term deposit by nearly 100 bips up to the 1-year tenor. So clearly there is going to be a huge run for the deposit to garner deposits, and that cost has to come up at a higher end, and hence that will have to be passed down to the borrowers. So in terms of the banks, it's good because it will help them protect the margins, but in terms of the lenders, or in terms of the borrowers, in terms of the overall effectiveness to the end borrowers, be it the corporates, the SMEs, be it even the retail borrower, it means an increase in the borrowings, increase in the interest cost for the entire economy. Clearly, this is not what probably we need in the economy as of now, but the reality is that interest rates are at least on the rise, at least as of now.